This is Tim Golema from MAHLE Aftermarket, and today I'm in the service engineering department, and a few samples have been shown to me that I think could be relevant. This is all part of the program that details are really important when it comes to installation. So Power Stroke is a very popular application, and there's been a lot of things done over the years because Power Stroke is such a popular platform to use. So I'm going to show you a few examples where maybe spending a few more moments would save everyone time and money. Another scenario that will occasionally pop up, and I'm just using this because it's particularly on a Power Stroke, but it still seems there are those out there that believe MLS gaskets, or any gaskets for that matter, require some additional coating to make them seal. Well, needless to say, everybody has said this for 20 years now, but you do not require any additional coating unless we put it in the kit. In this particular case, they just thought that maybe copper coat would be the best solution, even though they may have never have had a problem. But because from a long ago myth, when people used it and they thought they make a better water seal, well, that's not the case anymore. But still today, not everywhere, and we don't see as many, but even in the Power Stroke application, people are still convinced that by adding copper or a variety of other coatings, this one was just sent to service engineering, so I have a sample, is going to enhance the water seal, when in reality, it really doesn't work. What you end up doing, because in this case, we've all seen the can, when you shake that can, it has something that is gonna dry that copper coat. You hear it knocking around in there, it will begin to attack the coating that has been installed by manufacturing to already enhance the coolant seal. So now you've upset the load balance because you've upset the surface seal. So please, there is absolutely no need for, in any case, to provide additional coatings unless we provide them.